Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove emojis from your videos on CapCut PC. Now, this doesn't work for every video there is, but it works if it doesn't really overly on top of anything important. So I just copied and pasted the video with the emoji. Go to mask, select circle, and you're going to select a part that does not have like an emoji in it, like this for instance. Go back to basic and you're going to place that on top. I'm just going to scale it up a little bit so it can cover it. Go to mask and feather it out, but just a little bit. And as you can see, that covered it up like so. And it doesn't look like there's an emoji in there. It is a little bit hard if there's like stuff on your video that's not just a clear background, but you can kind of play around with it. If it's like, if you're getting it from a similar part of your video, you can definitely cover it up, sorry. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!